What are we doing?
We are gonna check out here of Amirtha's, which is so sad because I don't want to go. I like it a lot here.
I don't want to go either.
We've really liked our stay here, but now it's time to move on. That's okay. So we're going to go to Manduk, and that's kind of like the interior part of Bali. And we're gonna visit a monastery today, and I think 2 waterfalls.
Ooh!
That's what we're doing.
And the hotel might be better than this hotel.
I don't know. It's going to be a hard one to top. This is the story of a family of 4 traveling the world as often as possible, sharing their adventures. Join us all on this season as we find exciting new places to explore, living this crazy life on the go. If you like our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. We always have to find a grocery store for Desmond because he's a little picky when he eats. So we found some bread. But I don't think we found Nutella yet, so we're going to keep looking and see if we can find any for him. I don't see any, though. He may starve to death. How's your shopping experience?
It's all right.
Fun, different things, don't they?
Yeah.
What is that?
Rhino Love.
Is it beer?
I don't know. What do you like this one? It was like
Yeah.
grass jelly basil soup.
What is that? Outside of the grocery store, there were several food vendors lined up, so we decided to try them out. It is extremely important to us on our travels to sample local foods. We were so excited to try the corn dogs, soup, corn cakes, and breads. This was one of the best and least expensive meals we had on our trip. What's she making over here? Oh, there's corn. All that butter.
I'm gonna get a corn dog.
Corn dog. Got donuts.
Oh wait,
corn
I'm
dog.
gonna get a corn dog and soup.
Corn dog and soup.
Yeah. Like I'm gonna get my corn dog in my soup. Oh.
Corn dog? You want one? 2. Corn dog. Corn dog.
Careful, my sizzle.
Oh, you're right, but it still looks good.
It's gonna be awesome. Is it the good bread? You happy?
This simple soup was delicious. I added a little bit of hot sauce just to spice it up. But everywhere I went, I looked for it on the menu. But this was the only place I had ever found it. Get out of the resorts. Go eat real food.
Just like,
Oh my god, I could eat that every day.
Good.
So good.
maybe we can make it in Saudi Arabia.
Maybe.
I don't.
Pretty sure there's a testicle in it, but okay.
What do you mean? What the hell is that?
I don't know.
Eat it.
It's probably an olive.
Oh. Goose nut.
Is it good?
Kind of bitter.
Glad you got that, not me.
Oh, I'm sure you got it.
No, I didn't. I didn't get one of the big ones. I want to know what this is.
It's probably really hot. Try it.
Whoa, oh, hot. That's hot, hot.
Oh my god, this is so hot.
It's orange. Literally anything orange is spicy, except for pizza.
Whoa. That was impressively hot.
Real good. It's a corn dog, but not really a corn dog.
So it's just fried mozzarella.
No, more likely bread. Tastes like just bread.
Because Des would eat it if it's just mozzarella. Found the corn dog, huh?
Right there. Yeah.
Balls are hard to stab.
What did you just say?
What?
You just said the word.
What'd I say? Balls?
That's offensive to you two.
No, it's not. It's a ball.
Really?
Is it?
What is it?
Green
What's
cake?
it taste like?
Cake. Vanilla cake.
Oh, yeah.
After sufficiently stuffing our faces, we needed to walk off all that we just ate. A trek to some waterfalls would do the trick. Yeah, and you are?
My name is Dewi.
How do you say it?
Dewi.
Derry. Nice to meet you. I'm Jamie.
River.
Des. Okay, cool. So how long's the walk? How long is it?
Maybe time
1 hour?
yes.
Perfect. Let's go. Thank you. Along the way, Derry showed us many of the local produce that grow here, like coffee, pineapple, passion fruit, and vanilla. How's that hill treating you?
Not
Good. Make a wish. Nice.
You get to make 3 wishes because it's still there. No, I'm kidding.
All right. Bean. The coffee bean. Ah,
Looks like
neat.
a grape. It looks like it has a grape inside.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pineapple, huh? Cool. Oh yeah, what is that? Passion fruit. Oh, is that vanilla bean? Is that vanilla?
I want to take one with us.
Does smell it.
Sure.
Just smell it.
Wow.
Traveling so much introduces us to many cultures and traditions that we don't see at home, which is why we love to travel so much. Along the path, we came upon a gathering of men participating in a cockfight. This practice is outlawed in the United States because of people's beliefs about animal cruelty. However, here it is part of their heritage and community. I didn't film the actual fight because of its gruesome nature, but it was interesting to see nonetheless. The birds are going to fight. From the trail, you can see both waterfalls, but to get there, you must hike down a lot of stairs, which means, eventually, we had to hike them back up. These are some serious stairs. And to do it while filming.
Funky stairs, huh?
Yeah. Stairs are nuts.
I can't tell if it's my knees that are shaking or the stairs that are wobbling when I'm coming down.
Probably both. How's that feel? Cold. Feels good, huh? Hey, you. Laugh. Laugh harder. The kitty going around in the wheel. We decided not to swim because we knew that we were going to be in the car a lot and had several more stops and didn't want to be wet. After taking in the breathtaking beauty of the area, we made our way back on the uneven rocky trail and back up all of those stairs. Oh, that smells so good. Those are cloves. After the quick stop to smell some cloves, we got back in the van to go to the Buddhist temple. At the top of these stairs stands the traditional Balinese gates, and next to them are 4 large seated Buddha overlooking the lush valley. We walked around and through the large temple, making our way back to the gates, and then onto the rest of the grounds that had very large Buddhas and even some dragons for Des. My glasses got wet. He looks so lifelike, it's kind of creepy. He's totally. That is a big Buddha.
This one's the best.
Desmond, stop it. It's a religious site. Please stop.
Why are their eyes glowing red?
They might be good, but with red eyes.
Maybe they're security cameras.
From the temple, we drove a crazy single-lane, windy, steep road through the valleys and ridges until we reached the top of a peak where our resort was nestled overlooking the vibrant green valley below. What are you getting for dessert?
Well,
We're getting a.
whoever wants grilled banana with brown sugar, or you could get a fried banana served with melted brown sugar. Okay. I was kind of going for the boiled banana in brown sugar served with coconut milk on top.
But if we don't
I
like
think it
it,
sounds really good.
but if we don't like it,
Banana.
you have ice cream from each chip.
And then I'm going to get a scoop of vanilla ice cream so we can share. Your face is priceless.
Wait, can I
Here,
have the fun?
Mom, look at me.
Can we have the fun?
This makes me super, super happy. Look at this. Hold on. Desmond ate ice cream and asked for extra bites. That's what oh my goodness. We're witnessing history.
Yeah, this is a banana hating mother.
It's really, really good. It tastes like buttercream frosting.
This tastes like a frosting. Yeah, since I ate vanilla, you have to eat banana. You have to eat a banana ice cream.
Oh, what a nice sister. Ice cream down.
Hot. It tastes like banana bread.
Man.
It tastes like banana bread.
I like banana bread.
So that's the only type of banana you like?
Yeah, it's the only banana I'll eat is banana bread.
So burnt brown sugar tastes just like molasses.
Molasses is gross.
I like bananas, especially the bananas here. They're very sweet.
Yeah, I love bananas. I like the ones in the Philippines. They're sweet.
Hey, Mom. Since you don't really like bananas, your bananas could be different.
I'll eat a banana when you eat a whole banana.
I would pay a relatively uncomfortable amount of money to watch that happen on both of your accounts.
I would give you like
I think it would be like the scenes. What was that? It was where the boys go on the backpacking trail on the train tracks to look for somebody.
Stand by me.
Stand By Me. Remember the scene of Stand By Me where the kid ate all the ipecac and then went to the pie eating contest?
Oh yeah. He threw up everywhere.
And everybody
on
threw up.
purpose.
Yeah. So I think that's exactly. I think somebody started going.
Maybe.
What's your worst food that you never want to eat?
I actually don't like cherry pie. No, that's the one thing I don't like. I don't like cherry pie. Oh, and smoked salmon.
Yeah, he hates smoked salmon.
I love salmon, but smoked salmon, it kind of stops me cold. I could eat it if I had to.
Like
I
an
just don't
ice cream
like
pole?
it. It's a texture thing. It's like eating smoky snot.
Not even close. That would be like eating a smoky oyster. But you like smoked oysters. That's why it's weird. You'll eat a smoked oyster but not smoked salmon.
I know.
I like everything.
Mom's gonna be over here with her feet up.
Yeah, me too. I'm a good joy mom.
Desmond, are you gonna catch it?
Yes. Well, Dad said so.
Okay. God, please tell me he's not in my bag.
I'm pretty sure he's in your bag.
Oh my God!
No guns. I want to get it.
Throw it on him.
All right, fine.
Ooh, you missed him!
Okay, I'll fix it. Literally.
Literally, Desmond.
I got it.
Holy shit! Oh my God, you're touching him!
Hey, be happy, Adam.
Oh my God.
Hey, at least it's a gecko.
What is it?
It's a gecko.
No. You're close enough.
It's a gecko.
I know what it is. I'm just afraid he's gonna like spit at me and like
It's not really
poison.
a gecko. And no, I'm not holding it tight. But he's mad.
He's mad. Okay, bye, buddy. You go sleep outside with your other friends.
Right here.
Go.
Outside, Dad.
Can you go eat all the ants that are out there from Rivers Jonah?
Yeah, there's ants right there.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Bye, bye, guy.
See you, bud. See ya, ant.
Bye, bye, buddy. Ooh, okay. Bye.
After all that excitement, it was time to get some sleep because tomorrow we go on a jungle trek, we canoe over a lake, and we make our way to a hidden Hindu temple. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before heading over to Patreon to support our efforts even further. You get exclusive content, ad-free videos, and so much more just for showing your love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.